Greetings to the divine and you all. I'm happy that you all are watching again and that I can give you a few pointers of the market so that you guys can gain a little bit of profit for yourself so that you can also be financially free from this not so nice system that they have made up for us, so that you have to believe that you have to work all day. That's not true. There are a lot of ways on different levels that you can get money. So I'm here to help you all a bit out. That's why I'm really doing this. I don't get anything out of it. I don't want anything out of it either. I just want to help you all so that you all can see what I can see, and those that listen and vibrate with me will hear the right words that I have to say. So now, where are we at the market? The last time I checked that I told that we would be hitting 39,000. We went nicely below it, but let's take. We went to 34,369. That was a beauty of an entry. I was watching the market at that time, and I went in even below my 39,000 because yes, this was a beautiful entry normally. So even this was out of my prediction that I thought it was gonna hit. Another 10% extra. Wow, that you would have gained. So that was nice. So my lights are still here from last time that I chatted with you guys. I did not touch anything, so this is still my channel that's going to hit. Like I said, it was possible to hit here too, the channel, so 33 would be a nice entry also. Okay, let's take a look. We are on a weak channel at this point, and what do the candles say at this point? This was a candle that showed that the market was going to reverse, so we knew that we had to get out of the market at the end of this thing. He went back up, but yeah, this meant really a reversal because this is a hard line to get through, and I told you guys 45,000 if we did not surpass that we were going to be going back to the previous level. So we did, so that's okay. That meant that we could make a bit more money again. That's always good to see. So now we have an entry. We are here now, so what do we need to do at this point? I would say have a bit of patience, because there is not much we can do at this point. If you entered at 39,000, yeah, congrats that you entered. So we have to go up to the next level again. 45 would be your exit level for the people that went in here in this area. 45 will be the max to get out of it again. Yeah, I think this market's going a bit sideways at this point. If we're lucky, we will hold this structure, and if not, then we are going further the other way. And where do we go then? Let me take a look where the next stop is. The next stop will be between 29,000 and $23,000. So that will be the next big stop that we will take. If we do not surpass, if we stay at this level for a few more days, it's okay. But if we drop below the 35,400, something like that, you can be sure if we stay a day below it or 2 days below it, that we will go straight back to this entry point here. And the entry point for me is then 30k with a spike maybe to 22, but straightly recovered, because yeah, the big guys just put the money up the other side, they leverage it, and yeah, we get fluctuated out. But I gave you guys already the entry that you could take between 29 and 22 are very beautiful entries. Everything between 35 and 30,000 is also a very beautiful entry. So make a mind, you have like 10 entries you make it from 35 to 22, make every $1,000 an entry, and you got 10 entries. Here you go. That was my helpful thing to say for today. Now let's take a look where I think we're going, so let's take some. I'm gonna take another chart in a second, but my channel is still good. Like you can see, it keeps doing the same thing, like it always does, so that's beautiful to see. Here it is. Oh, he was still here. I couldn't see him. That was quite strange. Okay, here they are again. So now let's take a look at the real strength index at this point. What does it say at this point, and where are we at? So we are here at a day chart, no, a week chart. Let's take a day chart and let's take a look. So here I'm back. Test. So we have to put this off, the rest. So real strength index at this point, we are, yeah, 35 was a beautiful entry again. Like I said, 35, everything between 30, 35 is always a nice entry. We are now at 46, so it needs to surpass 50 to be sure that it keeps going up. So at this point, we can't do anything. We just have to be a bit patient. So for me, this looks good. It looks bullish very much. Let's take a week. Let's see what it was here. Yeah, back you can see we made a higher high on this real strength index, so that's very nice to see. Also, that meant that we closed everything above for last week, so I like 10 days looked a bit less good. 2 days looks bullish too. We are up higher again, so no, it looks good, even if we're having here a higher high. So even here we made a higher high, so that's also a good index to see. So I like seeing this. Let's take it off lock scroll. Good, let's see what we have done here today. So we are now retesting this part. So that's a very crucial point. Like I said, 39,600 was the one that I thought it was going to stay at. So this point is a very hard point to get through. If we pass this, we will go straight away back to 45, and then I think we will continue going up. At this point we're almost crossing, and that's a 2-day candle, so that means that we are past in the 1 day. No, not yet. We're almost there. So this is bearish at the 1 day. Weekly, we're still bearish. 10 days, still the same. So that does the MACD does not look as good as it should supposed to be looking. But a 2-day, we are almost passing each other again here, so this looks bullish. So the 1 day will change normally by tonight, and it will normally pass each other if it keeps on this level. So when BTC stays at this point where it is now, we will see a bullish chart and everything will keep going up again. So that's nice to hear, I must say. I hope you guys made this entry. See, 39,000 was a few days that we had it here, so I hope you guys took a profit out of this one and went in it and did not wait, or did not have patience to not go in and went in here, because this is not a good place to go in, because you have no idea where the market will go, up or down. So you went in here and you go out here, so that's the best way to do it. So you see my prices are standing here on the side, so you can just stop the video for a second and go in it. At this point, everything looks good, so I must say bullish to me at this point. So be happy, enjoy life a bit. The next movies will be more about passive incomes that I'm at. I prefer this than the thing that I'm doing now. I think you guys will enjoy it too for the few next movies that are coming up. I hope you guys want to hear more about these things. Otherwise, just put a thumbs up, share my channel with other people that are high vibrating, like we all should do, and we all want to enjoy more life. So I'm just giving my pointers, my view of the market. So always do your own research, people, so that we stay happy. Don't ever say that I told you had to go in here, because it's your own choice. So please make sure you keep doing it on your own choice. So for all of you, have a nice day, and we will see you in the next movie.